Welcome to our virtual grid garden. You can see we've got some carrots here in our garden and we've got water. We want to water our carrots. Well, let's take a look at our garden here. We've got a grid with 5 even columns and 5 even rows. Okay, and we want to place the water somewhere. Right now it's by default in the left-hand side. That's where it starts. So let's specify the grid column start position. All right, that is 1 by default. And when you specify the start position, it automatically goes 1 to the right. But we want to start at 2, 3, 4. There we go. So we've got our start position defined. How about we define our end position now? And it's got to be bigger than 4, right? 4 is going to be ignored because start and end bar can't be the same. 6 or 5 is right there, and that's the default value. When you specify the start, it by default goes 1 over to the right. And 6, and there we go. So that gives us an answer. Actually, I could say -1. That'll work too, because -1 counts from the right. So that would be the farthest bar on the right. Oh, that's a lot of typing. We can shorten this down. I get rid of start, and I get rid of all this grid column end stuff, and replace it with a slash. And it works. There we go. So we could change things around here a little bit. We don't have to start at position 4. We could say end at position -1 and span 2. There we go. So span works, positive works, and negative works, just the same way you did with grid column start and grid column end. Well, let's get our garden growing.